See how long I can do the video with my hair in my eyes. Okay, so we're gonna try to install this live now and just get this install video. Ugh. Why does this every time? It's just too many requests on my first attempt. Very strange. Alright. So I've got this. Come in here, you can say you want to give me $2, that's cool. Okay. Or you can just not, and just go straight to downloads. Download the New Year zip. Do that. There it goes. Documents. SAMMI. Save this into here. Now when I open it, it's already in SAMMI, so I can just go ahead and straight up extract it all. And now the annoying thing about this is sometimes when you extract it, especially using quick ones like this, it's fine here, you'll have a double folder. So you're just gonna take this and put it on top of this one. Excuse me? Since when has this ever been a problem? Okay. Just overwrite it like that. Okay. And then we got the extension. So we need to get SAMMI running. And we need to get OBS running. So in here, we're going to SAMMI bridge, install an extension, go to Tony's New Year, and then got this opened, and we've got OBS opened. And as you can see, I don't have anything. Well, let me clear out this snow really quick. Where is my shovel? There you are. Shovel this up. Also move to the bottom right for a second. But here's my sources and scenes. So I got two scenes. One's main, one's alerts, just for the sake of testing, but there's nothing in them at the current moment. And we're just going to go ahead and create the scene. So if I take this out of full screen, we got a create scene button. And we're going to run it. And then over here, now we have Tony's New Year. You must now delete the delete me button inside the deck. I'm going to say yes. And then I'm going to go to delete me. And I'm going to delete it. Then we go back over to here. We look, we've got the New Year's countdown, we've got the ball, we've got the pole, we've got the LED screen thing going on. And if we go to the ball, we can go to filters. And if at any time you want to, you can put a new picture on here. So right now it has this GIF, but you can download whatever you want and put it on there if you feel like it. You know, it is the way to customize it. I wouldn't say GIFs are the coolest ones for sure, but you know, do whatever you feel like. And then all that you have to do is nest it however you want to. You can either go to every scene that you want to see it in and nest it. So there's that. Then you can, you know, move it to a corner. Or you can do my favorite thing, which is using downstream here. So I have something called an alerts scene, and I nest everything in here, and then I have it in my downstream keyer right here, so that way no matter what scene I'm on, if you switch to main, alerts, whatever, or like let's create a whole new scene, scene 2, you can still see the ball. So you would go into the alert scene, take the nest, and you would just, you know, use this everywhere. Doesn't matter what scene you're on, obviously, except for the normal scene where it houses the original thing. But it is there, nice and tiny and ready to be placed on top of whatever kind of decoration you might want to. You can put like a little cement barrier down here, or maybe the top of a building, which honestly in hindsight I should have probably prepared something for this video, but you know what, let's go ahead and just stick it in a potato. Why not, right? Stick it in a potato. Can I just, yeah. So now the ball drop is in a potato, so on and so forth. You can do whatever kind of stuff you want. You can add it to this part, you can add it to the actual scene, which I would highly recommend doing instead, so that way it changes size with the original thing. And I guess last but not least, we want to, of course, delete these things. Remove, and remove. And I built a test button inside of here. So all you have to do is run this, and a new timer is built here since this one is unaffected. So we can use this to compare to this, and I'll have to do the test again on stream. I just wanted to show you that this works right away on here, so there was no, you know, manipulation of the video. Going to run the test here. This is what it'll be like. I'll just, you know, double check. It should be fine. Everything should be fine. Even if it's off by a couple seconds, it's fine, you know. No, I'm just kidding. It should be fine. But, yeah. That is fireworks, confetti, Happy New Year's countdown. And that's what'll happen on New Year's. Anywho. We're done with that now.